My name is Leanne and I'm an interior designer here in Carlsbad, California. And today I'm going to be taking you on a tour of the LA office project and the final reveal, and I cannot wait to share it with you all.
Give me something new. I want it back through and through. Just do it. I'll let you rule.
I've been up since 5 this morning, so extra coffee is definitely necessary. I love these days. I literally live for install days. It's so much work and so much stress, but the adrenaline associated is just next level. One of my favorite things to do in design is to create something out of nothing, and it's just remarkable when you start with a blank slate and just it turns into something so much more, and there's so much life to it and so much personality and really tells a story, and that's why I love design. It allows me to express myself in a way that also expresses my clients, so it's really helpful to get that extra influence, because I think sometimes when you're designing on your own it's a little bit more one-dimensional, but when you're able to get some input from other people being your clients because they have to live in the space, I think it just makes it that much more successful of a project. So.